Alright, so we're just going to do a quick briefing of this upcoming storm here on YouTube now. I did one on Instagram a few minutes ago. But we're just going to do a quick briefing on this storm because it's going to cause some problems across the state. So first of all, I have issued a storm alert for all of Connecticut. What is this for? It's for an icy mix, a brief period of some snow, may come down locally heavy. Not expecting much in the way of accumulation, as you'll see soon. And then it turns over to some sleet, and then eventually over to some freezing rain, and then eventually over to plain rain. So, and this is for all of Connecticut. It is for Thursday morning specifically. So we're not expecting much in the way of snowfall, generally a coating to maybe an inch. Some areas near the Mass border could see maybe 2 inches if it hangs on to snow a little longer, and basically nothing, no snow accumulation expected along the immediate shoreline. Ice with this storm is going to be the main story. For the immediate shoreline, we're expecting a light glaze of ice, but you don't have to move too far inland to get a glaze to 1/10 of an inch. And then in this darker pink shading is where some areas could see nearly 1/4 of an inch. Locally, could see a little over 1/4 of an inch of ice. Winter storm impacts travels at a 6 because there's going to be some ice and it's going to be cold. Temperatures are going to be cold enough into the 20s to create some problems. Snow removal, I've given a 3, mainly because any snow that does fall will get compacted and frozen in with the ice and sleet. Schools, I've given a 7 for the state. Delays likely along the shoreline. Cancellations most likely in the inland areas, especially in northern Connecticut, where there will be that prolonged wintry mix and icing. And then after the whole wintry side moves through, we get a quick break, and then our attention turns to Thursday night into Friday, where we do have the threat of some heavy rain along the southern part of the state. You guys are probably going to get this most amount of rain locally, maybe 2 or 3 inches of rain possible. In the inland areas, generally a 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Southern areas, 1 to 2 inches on average. Locally, higher amounts are certainly possible in the inland areas. And with that risk, the Weather Prediction Center has put out a slight risk of flash flooding for parts of most of the southern part of the state. Marginal threat for the rest of the state. This is for some heavy rainfall Thursday night into Friday morning. And for your Wednesday, in the inland areas, turning mostly sunny by midday. Highs 35 to 40. Shoreline turning mostly sunny by midday, highs 38 to 43. Temperatures drop tomorrow night into the 20s, and then after midnight, things go downhill in the inland area across the state, and we'll be tracking that wintry mix by Thursday morning. Tune in for some updates on this storm, as well as follow me on Instagram, where I will be posting many updates on this storm. Stay safe out there.